All right, for Work Together 5.2, we are going to be working on reconciliation of a bank statement. So what you have right now is in your book, it gives you a whole bunch of different numbers. Our bank statement balance, our bank service charge, an outstanding deposit, outstanding checks, a checkbook balance, and so on. So we need to go through and put these pieces into our puzzle of where they belong and make sure that our adjusted check stub balance down here matches our adjusted bank balance down here. All right, so first things first, we are going to prepare the statement using July 29th of the current year as our date. So our date, July 29. Our balance on check stub number 106 is given to me in my book, and it says that it was 1575. All right. Our bank charges. We had a service charge listed in on my information in the directions for $2. So you're going to call it a service charge, and you're going to put $2 in there. Gives me a total bank charge of $2. All right. So then down here, my adjusted check stub balance is my 1575 minus my bank charges of $2, which gives me 1573. All right, so we know that the left side equals $1,573. Now that is our goal for the right side to balance to match that up. All right, so balance on my bank statement given to me in my directions is 1528. Outstanding deposits. I have an outstanding deposit on July 28th of, date is going to be 7, sorry, I got to put, not July, I got to put the 7th month, 7/28, and for the amount of $150. Total outstanding deposits, there's only one, so we know that it's just $150. If there were several, you would just add them up and put that total right here, so it's 150 this time. For a subtotal, since you're adding an outstanding deposit, you're going to add that number to it. So 1528 plus 150, 1678. Now we're going to deduct, so subtract our outstanding checks. Check numbers 103, given to me in my directions, was for $70. And check number 105 was $35. Take 35 plus 70 gives me a total for my outstanding checks of 105. Now it tells me my subtotal here, deduct, so subtract this to get me this number. So 1678 minus 105 gives me 1573. So those two do match. So we have completed the first part of our directions. Second part of our directions is down here. We are to record the service charge on check stub number 106. So this is check stub number 106. We need to go down here. Our balance brought forward was 1575. I'm getting all of these numbers from the left side that we just completed above. Bring that subtotal down. There was nothing deposited. Other is going to be called a service charge of $2. Bringing over my $2 on this line right here above subtotal. 1575 minus $2 gives me 1573. We're not doing a check and there's nothing brought forward, so we've recorded our service charge on check stub number 106. All right, now the last step for Work Together 5.2 is to record the service charge on journal page 14 using memo number 44 as a source document. All right, so we know the date was the 29th. We are going to call this a miscellaneous expense because it was a charge or an expense. Memo 44 was given to me in my directions. It is going to be a general debit of $2 and a cash credit of $2 because we've lost $2. That's taking our cash away. All right, so in this problem, you have seen that we have reconciled the bank statement. We have recorded a service charge on a check stub, and now we have recorded that service charge on a journal document. So you've done 3 different tasks in this assignment. So let's go on and try 5.2 on your own. Good luck and take your time.